A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Nicholas and southwestern Webster counties. At 6:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Summersville, moving east at 40 miles per hour hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cowan, Calvin, Kessler's Cross Lanes, Richwood, Canvas, Camden-on-Gawley, Craigsville, Budleigh, Nettie, Camden-on-Gawley, Mount Nebo, and Somersville. Precautionary preparedness actions. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Updates will soon follow.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbent!
Tornado warning. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties or areas: Nicholas County and Fayette County until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado has been spotted 13 miles south of Fayetteville. Source: radar and storm chaser indicated. Impacts: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Hail up to quarter size. Wind damage to roof shingles, vehicles, and trees. Wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour. For your safety, move to the most inner room on the lowest floor of the building you are currently in. Do not travel during this tornado warning, unless you are a storm chaser. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 a.m. A tornado watch will also be in effect until 7 p.m. tonight. Tornado emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties or areas: Nicholas County, Fayette County, Webster County, and Braxton County until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm that has produced a tornado has been spotted 4 miles south of Summersville. This rare phenomenon for West Virginia is causing F4-rated tornadoes across the state. This storm is moving at 65 miles per hour. Source: radar and storm chaser indicated. Impacts: flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Hail up to 2 inches. Wind and hail damage to houses, vehicles, and trees of up to 25 feet tall will be uprooted. Wind gusts of up to 180 miles per hour. For your safety, move to a basement or the most inner room on the lowest floor of the building you are currently in. Do not travel during this tornado warning, unless you are a storm chaser. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:45 a.m. A tornado watch will also be in effect until 10 p.m. tonight. The West Virginia State Police has issued a civil danger warning until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following impacts are present, prompting the alert. Uprooted trees of up to 70 feet tall blocking the following roads but are not limited to: Interstate 79 between mile markers 32 and 93, Interstate 77 between mile markers 88 and 139, Interstate 64 between mile markers 167 and 30, Route 19 between 0 and 67, West Virginia Route 1 to 3 4 15 16 20 39 41 55 61 114 and 612, Route 60, Midland Trail, and Route 119. Down power poles across all highways, hail and wind damage to bridges, overpasses and roadways blocking the roads. Stay in your shelter until the all clear message is prompted.
This is the West Virginia State Police. All clear. Repeat, all clear. We have issued an administrative message until April 4th at 12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Some roads have been cleared, but we are working with the West Virginia Division of Highways to clean up the roadways to make them safer to use for all residents. We expect to have all roads cleared by June of 2025 and power restored by May of 2025. Thank you for your patience and support from all of our West Virginia residents. We thank you for your time and we hope everyone continues to stay safe during this situation.